So in this video, I have created an application using Python. So if you are wondering if I am a Python master or something else, I want to make it clear that I have no experience in Python. So let's start the AI workload. Let's go to chatgpt.com. Actually, I haven't decided what kind of application that I want to make. So let's ask ChatGPT for the answer. So actually, with ChatGPT, I have decided to make an application which I can use to organize all the videos that I'm going to make. So I am creating a structured folder for each project, moving related files, videos, thumbnails, and scripts to the correct folder. So let us begin. Or let us begin. First of all, let's just ask ChatGPT to do the work. So can you create me the code for that application? Just give me no bugs, please. So, very nice. But still, looking around this code really confused me. Let's copy this. I'm using PyCharm. I'm using PyCharm as my code editor. Let's copy all of this into PyCharm. This is actually free. I will link it in the description if you want to try it out. Okay, great. And I am going to create a new Python file. New Python file. Okay, I'm going to call this project organizer. Okay, very nice. I'm going to go into the project organizer file and copy all these things. Actually, okay. Is it giving me any errors? No. So can it work like that? I will try running that. It's still stuck. Well, it gave me this pop-up which does not support scaling. Base folder. Let's click that browse button. Okay, I'll create a folder inside my desktop called... Oh, I can use this. I will call this projects. Very nice. Let's click select folder. Project name, making an app using Python. Create. This working quite nice. Thanks, Mr. ChatGPT. Okay, let's click organize files. Wow, actually, it is actually pretty nice and polished. I can put all the audio here, all the images, other scripts, and videos. Actually, I would like to make changes to these default folders. I would like to do this. If I put all my project files, like the Premiere Pro file, the thumbnail, and all of those things, I just copy it into this folder. So the $1,000,000 question, can it organize all of that? I mean, all of those things automatically? Let's see, what can I do about that? So I think this will work. I am pretty sure I have experience with these libraries and stuff. I'm pretty sure it can move the files. So let's take an eternity to analyze. Create project folder. So that function, we are defining a function, and that function is surely working. Little green tick mark, please. Very nice. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, I took a long time to understand what's going on, and now I got a clear idea about what Mr. GPT has written. Now the problem is, how can I customize the folders? Okay, here, subfolders. Okay, so I am pretty sure I can customize everything, the folders, by changing this variable called subfolders. I want to try something else. Seeing this, I need some images and some text. Okay, wait. Let's search. Oh, potatoes. And let's get multiple potatoes. This looks very nice. We are going to need a lot of potatoes. Actually, something like 2 should be very healthy. 2 potatoes a day keep the doctor away, never mind. That was not funny. Actually, let's search for humans. Wow, I like how you can download humans these days. It's just casual. Very nice. Is this Merlin right here? Wow. Let's put humans inside my project. Back to the code. Images is done. Scripts. I can just create random scripts. Let's make a text document called random. Okay. Another text document. Wait, what kind of text documents does this thing support? It support Word files. So new Word document. Again called something. All right. Okay. Now I'm pretty sure if I just run, why do I have to select the base folder every time when I launch the app? That is a problem. Wait, so the base folder is projects. Select. Wait, why is it not working? What if I do the select and organize? Maybe I will see. Well, I cut that part out. I discovered after a while that I have to select all the files that I need to organize. Let's skip to the moment I discovered that. It's asking for files, right? Oh, I need to select the files from there and get it organized correctly. All the images are here. I did not put in any videos. And all the scripts are here. Very nice. Wait. Like, what if, like, I'm working on editing the project and I randomly want to, like, organize it while I am editing without selecting all of this? So I want it to automatically detect all the stray files and organize them with one click. To do that, I'm going to run this again. I can select the base folder projects, and when I put the project name, for example, here my project name is making an app using Python. I want to organize files in there. Nice. Okay, so you see how it is compulsory to select the files. This is actually turning out to be a great application, but it does need more of my professional help. So browse, I'm going to type again. Projects and project name is making an app using Python. Okay, so I can like select them from anywhere in my computer, right? Let's see. Wait, move those files into images, right? Okay, I see, I see. That's really useful. Okay, so it really makes sense if I am just working somewhere random and I want to select all those random files and organize them in the correct folder. That is very nice. But if I also want to add an option, like if already there are some random files inside the project folder, I want it to automatically organize all those files without me having to select those files again. So let's ask ChatGPT to add that functionality. So I type the changes that I want to make. Okay, wow, actually ChatGPT is really good. It's modifying the code. I want to save the old code. So let's create a Python file and add my old code and hit Control S to save before I make any changes. Very nice. So I have my previous code if this stopped working. Drum roll, please. Let's hit that run button. Does it give any errors? Absolutely no. So base folder, I'm going to select my project folder. And for project name, actually, it is easier to type I don't know. So let's use IDK. Actually, where are my text files? I actually don't know. Those disappeared. Okay, let's create some new text files. Let's click that Organize Files button. Another drum roll, please. Files organized successfully. Very nice. And the next thing that I would like to add is like, you see, when I run it, selecting the base folder is not a problem, but I would still like to, like when I'm selecting the base folder, I would like it to remember the last base folder that I selected. Because like for a year maybe, my base folder would be the same. So in that case, I would like the program to remember what my last selected base folder was. Let's ask ChatGPT. Let's see. Okay, it is adding some more new things. I am very happy because it is not making any unnecessary changes to the files that already existed. I want to copy this. I want to do a Control A, Control X, and move this inside my backup. And I want to copy this and paste and Let's try running this. Oh, okay. This is the first time. So base folder is projects, select folder, and project name is I don't know. Organize, select files. It's asking select files. I want to close the application, run it again. So projects is already selected, but, okay, wait. But it did not remember the last project name I entered. Let's ask ChatGPT to do exactly that. Okay, who would not like another montage? This took a lot of bug fixing. So enjoy my pain. New results. Okay, let's see if the program remember the last project I worked on. It seems to remember very nice. Let me change the defaults. Personally, I want these folders to be video/screen recordings is fine. Audio files is fine. Images is fine. Scripts, I will rarely create a script, but it is still fine. And others is fine. But I want to add folders for my video and image editing software. So I want my program to move the correct Photoshop file to the correct folder and the correct Premiere file to the correct folder. Actually, I would like to keep both of those files in the same folder. So I'm going to create a new folder called, let's call it Adobe Projects. That sounds nice. Comma here, so the others will still work. And here, there are many extension map variables used here that I have to update. 2, actually. Okay, I'm going to add a comma here. Let's type Adobe Projects, and it is going to contain PSD, the file format of Photoshop, and the file format of Premiere Pro is... What is the Premiere Pro file format? This is going to take a while. Okay, thanks Google, Control-C, and... Okay. Paste it here inside this. I need to test what I just added. Well, let's type creating coding video. Okay, let's see that project folder. Creating coding video. So it also added Adobe Projects, audio, images, others, scripts, and videos. Beautiful. I want to put some Adobe Projects here to test. Let's magically make those files appear here with the power of editing. Okay, done. I'm going to run this. All right. Organize files. And here we have the files. Very nice. It all works beautiful now. Okay. Now, the thing is, all of this is still just a Python file. So I don't want to run a Python file. Every time I want to use this application, I don't want to execute a Python file. I want it to be an exe application, which I can pin to the start or search for and use in my normal day-to-day life. Actually, this application is going to be really useful when I'm creating content. So I need to turn it into a real app. So let's go and ask ChatGPT how to turn a Python file into a .exe file. Okay, it is telling me to use PyInstaller. I'm pretty sure that I can download it with the terminal. I want the terminal. Okay, it seems to be downloading. Okay, I need an icon. Okay, let's search for document organizer icon. Actually, this icon looks really nice. Yeah. Actually, this icon looks really nice. Okay, save image as. Now, how to turn a normal PNG into an icon. So I think that I can use an online converter. Let's try that. Ah, okay. It worked. Now I have my icon, which is very nice. Look at my cute icon. Okay. So I want to move it to the same folder where my project is at. Okay, beautiful. Now I want to use PyInstaller to convert it into Actually, I must add my data. There's a lot to do. Okay, this also took a lot of bug fixing, so let's cut to the part I finally entered the correct command. Wait, it's really working. It's building the package. Wait, build complete. What if I go to my project? Project organizer. Not here. Let's go to this folder. Wait. Project organizer.exe. It has the icon. Wow. So I finally completed making the application, so let's see. It is 10 megabytes. Let's see if it really works. I'm going to run it. Please, no errors. Oh my god. It really worked. It is really working. So my base folder, actually, I'm going to create a base folder. Select that, okay? Settings.json appeared here. Okay. And project name is going to be, oh my god, it really worked. Very nice. And I'm going to organize files and select more files. Oh my god, it really worked because it is remembering all the things. So that's how I made a program that I am going to use basically every day using Python with zero coding knowledge. No, don't even think about subscribing and making me suffer more.